hot cities, cool solutions. Question is why I am saying hot cities. Means if you compare the temperature of any city or urban area with its surroundings, where rural areas are there, so you will get a temperature difference, especially in hot summer weather. During that season, you will get sufficient temperature difference. You will get temperatures of cities or urban areas to be higher than its surrounding rural areas, and this phenomenon is known as urban heat island effect. Yes, heat island, this term is being used here, not heat reservoir, because according to the definition of heat reservoir, you might have studied this in the subject of thermodynamics. So according to the definition of heat reservoir, it may be of a small size. A glass of water can be considered as a heat reservoir. Again, the oceans also can be considered as heat reservoir. So you know the size of the oceans. Okay? But whenever we are using the term heat island, that means it is only for small area, not for large area. And all the cities are of small size. So if you consider the temperature fluctuations during the hot summer weather in cities and just the surrounding areas, temperatures in the surrounding rural areas, then you will get that difference. The temperature of the cities are more than the temperature of the surrounding rural areas, and this effect is known as urban heat island effect. In short, this is called UHI. UHI. What is the reason behind this? Reason is that absence of greenery in cities. Okay, buildings are there, roads are there, and you know that these buildings means absence of natural surface materials are there. Means soils, there is scarcity of soils in cities, scarcity of trees in cities, and these are natural surface areas. So what is there in cities? Buildings are there, walls, roofs, those are made of brick, cement, sand, concrete, asphalt. So these surfaces can absorb heat from the sun rays. Okay, and if reflection is not taking place so smoothly or so well, then in that case, this absorbed heat by these building structures or roads, etc., okay, they will create high temperature. They are responsible for high temperatures in city areas as compared to rural areas. Absence of shade is there in city areas. Okay, but in rural areas, shades are there because trees are there. Okay, so this is the main reason why the temperature of city is more than the temperature of rural areas. And one more thing, when temperature of the city is more than the rural areas, and in hot summer weather, rich people are there, poor people are also there in city areas. Both types of residents are available in city areas. Okay, those who can afford air conditioning, they are using air conditioning. And the vulnerable populations, especially elderly, low income group, okay, they can't afford air conditioning. So the rich people, they are using air conditioning, and due to the use of air conditioning, consumption of energy, electric energy, increases. And whenever consumption of electric energy increases, that means you need to generate more electricity. That means you have to burn more fuel. And whenever you are burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, etc., or natural gas, so that way there is there is emission of greenhouse gases, that way temperature again increases. In city areas, there are more vehicles as compared to rural areas. You know the difference. Okay. So since vehicles are more, therefore pollution is more due to the exhaust gases of the vehicles. So many reasons are there why the temperature of the city areas are more than its surrounding areas. And what is the impact of this UHI, means urban heat island effect? What is the impact? Impact you know. If temperature rises, then there is a chance of heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion, heat stroke. There is a chance of air pollution. Air is already polluted, but it will increase because due to elevated temperatures in city areas, there is a chance of formation of ozone, ground level ozone. Okay, I am talking about ground level ozone, and these forms at elevated temperatures. So that way air gets polluted. Is there any solution? Yes, solution is there. Solution exists. You go green, save trees, plant trees. Wherever space is available, you plant trees. You go for vegetation. Use your rooftops for vegetation, for flowering plants. Options are there. So many options are there. If you have a strong will to reduce the temperature of your area, so you can make such efforts. And if all the people in a city area or in an urban area do the same thing, means if everyone tries for vegetation, for planting trees on the roadside, okay, then of course temperature will go down. So there are so many heat related problems. I am talking about high heat, and you know that every year the temperature is going on increasing. You know the term global warming. Climate change is there. Climate change is observed. So there are so many problems related to these high temperatures. So many problems are there, but solution exists. Solution exists. That's why I have used the title as Hot Cities Cool Solutions. Solutions are so easy. You should have a strong determination for this. Don't cut trees without need. For small needs, don't cut trees. A big tree takes so much time, so many years to get fully grown up. Okay, so don't decide to cut the tree so easily. If there is so much urgency, you need to, then only you go ahead to cut the tree. Otherwise, you just avoid. Okay, and if in your area, in your garden or on your roof, whenever and wherever is possible, you go for planting trees. You must have watched in Facebook or YouTube, in social media platforms, that in today's era, on the walls, people are planting many small trees. Okay, vegetations are there. So many types of, means greenery is there. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. That is, what was the topic? Topic was hot cities, cool solutions. Yes, these solutions are cool. Means easy solutions. Here, cool means easy. Solutions are easy. Just you need to have a strong determination. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. This is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.